Right after I posted the video on how to treat halitosis or bad breath and kankan using the jathropha coccus stick in Kringedia. This is hospital too far. Very, very powerful plant. Right after I posted the video on it, a lot of people came to my DM and asking how to use it. Even though I showed you how you can use it, but still people were still not, convinced, or people didn't still get it properly because I was in a hurry in that video. So today I have decided to take my time in this video and then take you through the step by step approach of how you can use the stick of jathropha coccus to treat yourself from bad breath. Whether this one, the good news is that whether the bad breath is as a result of either stomach ulcer or tonsillitis or sinusitis, or from the lungs, inflammation of the lungs, or gingivitis, meaning the disease of the gum, and so on and so forth. This thing can help, eradicate it, treat it. So all you need to do is to just go around, look for where jathropha coccus, in case you don't know. And again, some people also said that I should properly show the seed. Yes, this is the jathropha coccus seed, in case you don't know. So yes, this is jathropha coccus seed. You understand? Yes. When it gets dried, you can see it like this. Okay. Yes, this is the dried one, and this is the fresh one. So let me pick one and let me show you. Yeah. So when you open it up like this, you see I think a black seed in it. Yes, understand? So you can see the seed. This is jathropha coccus seed. Yes, it is black in nature. You see a black seed in it. Yes, this seed is also beneficial, health-wise. I will shoot a video on it, some other time. So this is the seed of jathropha coccus, and this is the leaf. Yes, the leaf, I already told you how you can use it to increase the size of your, dry stick as a man. Now, we are talking about the stick. So to those of you who have been asking me to show you how you can use the stick to eradicate bad breath, listen to me and listen well. After you've gotten the stick like this, an adult, if you're an adult, I will prefer you wash it nicely, very, very nicely, and then you start chewing it. When you chew it, if your issue is as a result of stomach ulcer, just chew it and then swallow in the juice. Because as you chew it and you are drinking or you are swallowing the juice, the moment it gets into your stomach, it is going to heal the stomach ulcer, immediately. Within 3 weeks, within 1 month, you'll be free from your stomach ulcer. So you just chew it, or you can choose to boil it. You can choose to boil it and then be drinking the tea. That is if the bad breath or the halitosis is as a result of stomach ulcer. That is the method. So with that of ulcer, you can chew it, swallow the juice, or you can get a lot of the stick and then boil it and start drinking the tea morning, evening on an empty stomach. I can assure you that it will cure or treat your stomach ulcer, and henceforth you will not, come out with any bad breath. Your breath will be clean, and people will now be, coming around you, because bad breath is very, very embarrassing. Anytime you start talking in the midst of people, then people will start doing this way. Some will even be a bit diplomatic, withstand your breath. But when you go, they will just, have a sigh, a relief breath or something. So it is something very, very, embarrassing. So that is that. Now, if yours is as a result of gum infection or gingivitis, yes, you can choose to boil the stick. Get few of the stick like this, boil it, and then you add sea salt. Okay, you add sea salt to it. If you don't know sea salt, I will put the picture on the screen. Yes, you put sea salt in it. Having put the sea salt in it, you boil it, then you get a tea. You can boil it for 10 to 15 minutes on fire. Then you take it off, you cool it for fire. Now, this is what you're going to do. This one, you are not drinking it. So you just put it, pour some in your mouth, and then let it stay in your mouth. You can rinse your mouth with it, but don't swallow it. Just put it in your mouth and then allow it to stay in your mouth for at least 2 minutes. Then you can just be going around, tilting your head like something like this, so that all the tea, the juice will be covering your gum, entering all the corners for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can just spit it out. Then you repeat the same thing instantly. Do it like 5 consecutive times. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 times. So meaning you are using it for 10 minutes. Okay, then you can go. That is morning. In the evening too, you can repeat it. And I can assure you that within 2-3 weeks, your gum disease, gum infection will go. And gum infection doesn't only causes bad breath. It can lead to your tooth decay. Your tooth will become decayed, and if care is not taken, it will just come off, and then you will become a toothless person. So you have to follow the same steps. And if it is tonsillitis is also the same. You boil it, add little sea salt to it. This time around, so since it is tonsillitis, the tonsils are here. So what you have to do is that when you pour it into your mouth, you tilt your head upside down like this, so that the juice or the tea will get into where the tonsils are. You understand? If you want to know tonsillitis, you can see it on your screen. Tonsillitis, you can see. Yes, when you open your mouth, it is 2 muscles. One is here, one is here. Just down your throat, you see it. You see a 2-fingered muscles like this around your throat area. You call it tonsillitis. When those muscles one of the muscles becomes a bit inflamed, it can generate bad breath, or it can generate a foul smell, which will be, resulting you to be having bad breath. So with the case of tonsillitis, that is how you're going to do it. And then with the case of, if the bad breath is as a result of your lung, or is coming from your lungs, this one you are going to be drinking it. You just boil only the stick, as in the case of the ulcer. You boil it and then be drinking it as your normal tea. You can choose to add cloves, a little cloves to it, and then you'll be drinking it. Give yourself like a month and see whether your bad breath will be there or not. So the same thing applies to sinusitis. You understand? So the only time you are going to rinse your mouth with it is as in the case of tonsillitis, and then in the case of gingivitis or gum disease. But the rest, you'll be drinking it, and I can assure you that your bad breath will be a thing of the past. So I guess those of you who have been asking, you now understood my point. Please kindly copy the link of this video, share to your friends, your family, and people around you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yes, it is very, very important. If you like what we are doing, you don't need to only watch and just go. Try and subscribe to the button, subscribe to the channel, and be part of us. And if you are new to this channel as well, you can do same. You can just subscribe so that you become part of us. I will see you again in the next video. Have a nice day.